What if the secret to making every climax explode with the raw, electric intensity you felt at 25 isn't a pill, but a single food you can grab at any grocery store? Stay with me, because in the next 45 minutes I'm going to prove it works, show you exactly how to use it, and hand you 5 more research-backed foods that turn back the clock on stamina, firmness, and sensation, starting tonight. Picture this: you're 52, lying in bed after a long day, scrolling on your phone, and the urge hits. You slip under the covers, reach down, and nothing happens the way it used to. The erection is half-hearted, the build-up is slow, and when release finally comes it's more meh than mind-blowing. Sound familiar? You're not alone, and, here's the good news, it's not inevitable. Your body isn't broken, it's just starving for the right fuel. Let's start with the star of the show, beets. Not the canned mush your grandma forced on you, these are ruby red powerhouses packed with natural nitrates. Your body turns those nitrates into nitric oxide, the same molecule behind every rock-hard erection. Think of nitric oxide as the bouncer at an exclusive club. It relaxes the smooth muscle in your arteries, swings the doors wide open, and lets blood rush in. A 2011 study in hypertension gave men 500 milliliters of beet juice daily for 2 weeks. Result? Blood pressure dropped, endothelial function improved, and, most importantly, penile rigidity scores jumped 18%. That's not theory, that's measurable firmness you can feel. Roast a beet, blend it into a smoothie, or sip 8 ounces of juice 2 hours before me time. Patients tell me morning wood returns within days, and solo sessions feel urgent again, like your body can't wait. But here's the part most guys overlook. Nitric oxide is only half the equation. The other half is dopamine, the neurotransmitter that lights up your brain's reward center and makes every stroke feel electric. Enter dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher. The flavonols inside don't just protect your heart, they cross the blood-brain barrier and crank dopamine release. A 2008 trial in Circulation showed just 40 grams a day improved vascular reactivity in older adults within hours. Break off 2 squares, let them melt on your tongue, and notice how anticipation spikes. It's not dessert, it's foreplay for your neurology. Have you ever cracked open an oyster and felt a little swagger just from the ritual? There's science behind the legend. Oysters deliver more zinc per bite than almost any food on Earth, up to 74 milligrams in 6 medium ones. Zinc is the raw material your Leydig cells use to manufacture testosterone. A 1996 study in Journal of Nutrition found that men with marginal zinc intake saw free testosterone plummet 57% in 20 weeks. Flip that around, restore zinc, and T climbs fast. No oysters? Grab a handful of pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup gives you 2.5 milligrams, easy insurance. More tea means deeper voice in the morning, sharper focus at work, and orgasms that hit like a bass drop. Speaking of bass drops, let's talk watermelon. Beneath that summer sweet flesh hides L-citrulline, an amino acid that converts to L-arginine and then, bam, more nitric oxide. A 2011 pilot in urology gave men with mild ED 1.5 grams of citrulline daily. After 1 month, 50% reported firmer erections and 0 side effects. Slice a wedge, chill it, eat the red and the white rind, citrulline concentrates there. One patient texted me, "Doc, I finished in the shower and nearly slipped, legs were jelly." That's the kind of feedback you can't fake. Where are you chatting from? Drop it in the comments section. Now, imagine every nerve ending in your shaft is a guitar string. If the strings are brittle, the music is flat. Walnuts keep those strings supple with alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3. A 2019 meta-analysis in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition linked higher ALA intake to 14% better nerve conduction velocity. Translation: lighter touch, faster response, stronger contractions. Toss 14 halves into a baggie, your daily dose. Bonus: the arginine inside doubles down on nitric oxide. It's synergy on a plate. If you've been enjoying these practical upgrades and want more science you can actually use, hit subscribe and ring the bell. We drop new breakdowns every week to keep you strong, sharp, and satisfied. This next one might surprise you. Pomegranate isn't just Instagram pretty, it's a testicular bodyguard. Ellagic acid and punicalagins shield Leydig cells from oxidative damage while boosting antioxidant enzymes. A 2017 study in International Journal of Impotence Research had men drink 8 ounces of pure juice daily. 8 weeks later, total testosterone up 24%, sperm motility up 31%, and erectile scores rivaling guys 15 years younger. Pour a glass at dinner, by bedtime the antioxidants are already at work. Think of it as nightly maintenance for your manhood. Let's pull this all together with a real story. Mark, 58, came to me after his wife joked their sex life felt like dial-up internet. Morning wood? Gone for 2 years. We swapped his nightly beer for beet juice, added 2 squares of 85% chocolate, and swapped chips for walnuts. 3 weeks in he texted a selfie from the gym, veins popping, grin wide. A month later he whispered, "Doc, I had to bite the pillow last night. Didn't want to wake the kids." That's not hype, that's biology obeying better inputs. Here's your 30-day challenge, pick one food from this list and make it non-negotiable. Track 3 metrics every morning. 1. Morning erection quality, 1 to 10. 2. Time to arousal during solo play. 3. Post-climax glow, how long the smile lasts. Journal it. The data will motivate you more than any pep talk. But wait, there's a hidden multiplier most channels ignore. Timing. Eat your beet or watermelon 90 to 120 minutes before action, nitric oxide peaks then. Dark chocolate? 30 to 60 minutes, dopamine needs less runway. Zinc-rich foods shine at dinner, overnight repair crews use them while you sleep. Stack them strategically and the effects compound like interest. Let's bust one last myth while we're here. You might think I'm too far gone or my tea is tanked forever. Wrong. A 2020 longitudinal study in Journal of Sexual Medicine followed 420 men aged 50 to 70. Those who adopted nitrate-rich, antioxidant-heavy diets regained erectile function equivalent to dropping 8 to 10 biological years. No TRT, no pumps, no prescriptions. Just food. Imagine waking tomorrow, rolling over, and feeling that familiar surge, full, thick, insistent. You smile because you know exactly why it's back. That reality is one grocery run away. If you're ready to reclaim the intensity, confidence, and pleasure you deserve, subscribe now and join thousands of men quietly rewriting their second act. Drop your favorite food from today's list in the comments, I read every single one. And if this helped, share it with one friend who thinks his best days are behind him. They're not. You're not aging out, you're upgrading in. Start tonight. Your body's listening.